Hello, today's video is a little bit different than the norm. It's not about Google Ads, but it's kind of about Google. It's going to be a unboxing video. So here's a little box which I received from Google Partners. We are a certified Google partner, and from time to time we get some really nice goodies from Google. So let's see what's in this box. So open this up. Okay, so here's the box, which is just about opened up. So what's this in here? Okay, so that's a little laptop bag with the partner, Google partner logo on it. These are all branded for Google partners. So looks quite good. Okay, put this on the side. What's this? So this is a Google partner t-shirt. I think there's some more in here, the same one. This is a kind of like a water bottle. Yep, water bottle. It's quite good. And these two are the same. And what's in here? I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's a travel cup. Keep your drinks hot or cold. It's quite good. With a rubberized grip as well. So which makes it quite sturdy, and it's pretty heavy as well. So that's it for this video, and thank you Google Partners for sending these goodies. Bye for now.